We are redefining mobility. This is where intelligence meets motion.
Imagine a humanoid robot working right next to you in your office desk, sitting next to you in your car, or maybe in the factories, maybe hospitals, or working next to you in the kitchen. Sounds cool, right? Before they can safely join our world, they need instincts. Nvidia is building technology that gives robot a lightning fast reflex system. This allows them to recognize sudden dangers and react in an instinct. Because at the end of the day, a smart robot is great, but a safe robot is what will actually change the world. What do you think? Would you trust a humanoid robot in your home? As this about the humanoid robots, which is going on right now, the next big theme, because we have seen how the Tesla cars are working without the drivers. Same thing now the world, the big entrepreneurs are working very hard to build this robotics in every country. You have already seen some of the countries have already started working in their restaurants or in their hospitality sectors, etc., or even maybe other sectors. Okay, so humanoid space is growing at an incredible space, bridging the gap between hardware engineering and the physical AI. The standout bets I am tracking right now are the big bets in the USA is Tesla, Figure AI, Boston Dynamics, Agility Robotics. And in India, I'm tracking a pure play bet that is Sona Comstar, which has the Sona Comstar as actively entering the humanoid and advanced robotic space. Instead of shifting away from their core business, the company is treating humanoid robotic as an extension of its mobility technology. So they have signed a memorandum of understanding with a German-based company that is Neura Robotics, and they have made a partnership to co-develop, scale, and industrialize advanced automation, industrial robots, and humanoid technologies for both India and global markets. They have signed a capex of rupees 62.6 crore, that is rupees 626 million, to establish a brand new line of business. So this is the one thing which I'm tracking in India right now. The company is Sona Comstar, and other pure bets are like Reliance Industry, which has acquired stake in one of the unlisted company in India, that is Adverb Technology, and other bets are such as ABP India, Siemens, Tata Motors, Tata ELXI, as well as one of our very known L&T Technology. All are entering into this space to capture this humanoid robotics new theme or new era or the ecosystem that people are like all the entrepreneurs of the business people are entering right now. So do your own research, understand about this new technology, the humanoid robotic space, and for more such content follow me. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Till then, bye. Thank you.